But yeah, we're doing the CV boot. As you can see, it's very much split. So now to do this, obviously you remove the wheel and then you untighten the steering rack bolt, the wishbone bolt right here, and the other one here. Ooh, let me focus. There we go. You have to untighten those ones. They normally come with the pin. So remove the pins and then you untighten, unless they are rusty. All the bolts, all the 3 bolts are out. So now we have to get them out. There we go. This one will be needed new ball joint. And then the top one. As you can see, the bottom one came off very easily. Actually, then we need to just remove the 10mm bolt here for the brake pipe to have a bit more play. Edge it in there. Not doing anything. The other one here. The one at the bottom came off. No, that's the top one. But that's minor. Fuck. Yeah. That's where we work. Obviously it wasn't this tight. I did untighten a little bit earlier. Always make sure that this bolt is tight. There we go.
And mention that it's a 36mm.
Yeah, this socket here,
Big ass socket.
it's a big ass socket, 36mm. That's what you're gonna need for the Rover 600. And then there we go. And whole hell breaks loose. Obviously you can put something, be careful with the tension of your brake cable. So this is the drive shaft. As you can see, it's fully here. It's fully open. Hello, hi, my name is Nate. The fuck? You can see that I'm no professional on this. Yeah, we move, you know. When we need to remove this, the clips. There we go. See, Craig, you can learn as well. There we go, one clip out. And the other one is out again as well. Right, and now we need to cut this. My special kind of pair of scissors. See? There we go. It's fully cut. You can see. Out of here. Put the razors there. So now we have to be careful with this part, because now I'm gonna hit on this part here with this hammer. I'm going to hit it with this hammer right here. So obviously you shouldn't just hit it. You either put some what do you call it? Some pliers here to wedge it here, so if you hit it this way, the pliers won't let the drive shaft come out, because if it comes out you have to change the gearbox oil. So what I'm going to ask Craig is to grab some gloves and hold the drive shaft. No, no, hey, come on, man, be my friend, man. No, I tried this yesterday. It didn't work very properly. Or you can just like send it, and if you are on your own, you hold it like this, and if you have space, you just hit it here. I'm not gonna do that because Craig is gonna help me. Whatever. Push it towards that way, yeah? Got it? Got it? There we go. Drive shaft is out.
I beg you, show Tiago how easy that was.
Did you struggle?
Did he struggle? It took us 3 days to get a CV joint off.
Really?
Just remember, we're not here for that saga.
No.
Theo set fire to it,
yeah.
it still wouldn't come off.
So yeah, there you go. How easy it is, as you can see. Always make sure that you don't drop rocks in there, obviously. and as you can see, this little ring here is the most important and crucial part. So now we need to clean this and this area here as well. You can stop it now. So now, all clean with the brake cleaner. Some people might say, "Oh, don't do the brake cleaner." I don't give a heck. So there, you should see there is a little sign, not a sign, but like you can see that the smaller part of the CV boot was sitting here. So that's why you're gonna pop it. So nothing major, just put it in like this, and then you push it all the way in until it stops right there. There we go. Make sure it's even all around. Yep. And also and now we grab the rings. Start with the smaller one. You might need to buy this tool here, which I don't know the name, sorry. But yeah, what usually does is is to squeeze the ring together so it tightens up. That's what we're going to do to the new one. This one you should do it very carefully. Yeah. Oops. Make sure the ring is aligned and then slowly squeeze it. And there we go. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. So now the other part is to put the CV joint back on. And to put this on, you cannot just slap it in. I know that I hammered it out, but obviously that's not really the way. So to do that, you see that this ring here, this ring has to be clipped in kind of with a joint. So we put the joint here. I mean, whatever. Come here. So you have to lay your key here. Actually, yeah, it's quite tricky. And then you just need to wait. And with that made, you have to hammer it in. That's it. It's all the way in, as you can see. Just give a few more. Yep, just to confirm. And then it's time to put the grease. I got no cutters here, so use the pliers. There we go. So now the easiest way to do less mess is to put the joint back on its position, kind of. Put it like the just a little bit around. Yeah. Okay, and you grab the CV joint, the CV grease, and you squeeze it in. The reason why I put the rubber position is so it doesn't drip down. Normally it doesn't, but yeah. Make sure you just put it around. Obviously, when you start driving the car, this will just spread, just like butter. Good. Messy. There we go. Just 2.5 mils more. Okay, and then close it in, wipe the outside. Okay, make sure that the CV is all aligned all around. And then we grab the big ring. Put it around here. Just like this. And then they need to squeeze it all the way, but like just enough, kind of. This is a crucial part, because if the CV boot is not aligned, then it's just gonna come out again. Struggling a little bit. There we go. And now we align everything all around. Oh, motherfucker. Fuck. It's coming out. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. Okay, before you squeeze it with a tool, make sure everything is just straight. Well, seems straight to me. How about you? And then use the same tool. Everything back together. Right there. Sorry, I cannot talk.
Put your balance on the bottom ball joint.
Well, I'm trying.
Try harder.
Fuck you.
Thought you said you couldn't talk. Oh, yes. Okay. So that should just go straight into the middle of the hut. And this ball joint goes up.
Wait. Yeah. So yeah, now just do the reverse, put everything back together, and that's it. That's it. From the point of like putting all the bolts and everything, that's it, all done. Make sure that this bolt is very well tightened. You know, that's a good thing. Yeah, job done. See you.
Yeah, this is.
Oh god. Oh shit, that's funny. It's gonna. Now it's like night time. Sun has set.
Shut up, mate.
All the sunlight's gone away.
Don't know what you're talking about.
So the outer,
Outer CV
what would you
boot.
call it?
CV boot?
No, the clip around the edge, the big,
Clip?
like, yeah, big Jubilee clip thing. Get like 6 because you're going to break them.
Yep.
If your ball joints, any of them are loose, get new ones, get whole new ones, because otherwise you can't tighten the bolts back on, as we've just found out.
Be careful with the threads.
Oh yeah, don't cross thread anything at all. Goes without saying. Don't over tighten anything, don't cross thread anything. Make sure all the split pins go back in so you don't lose a control arm halfway down the motorway.